Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 English Unit 6 or Chapter 11, The Donkey. Poem explanation, textbook solutions with answers we are going to see. The Donkey. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. Here the child says, if I had a donkey, which is a pet animal, if that donkey does not obey the child's instructions, the child will not get angry or beat him. Instead, what it will do, we'll see. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. The child would feed the donkey's favorite meal, that is grass and corns. She thinks that after the meal, the donkey will stop irritating her and obey her orders in the best way. Here the poet says that if any donkey or pet animal does not obey, rather than beating or hitting him, instead if she would feed its favorite meal, the pet animal will feel happy and it would obey our orders. So this poem is written by Roosevelt, Margaret S. Roosevelt. New words from this poem is donkey, which is an animal with long ears used to carry goods. Example sentences: donkey carries loads. Next, wallop, meaning is to hit hard. Example: he crashed down on the floor with a wallop. Next, we are going to see I had a little pony. Here, this is another girl. She has a pet animal, little pony. I had a little pony. His name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. So this is a girl. She has a pet animal named Dapple Grey. She gave her pet animal to a lady to ride for a short distance. She whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the lady's hire. So the lady who got this pet animal behaved harshly with the pet animal. Seeing this, this little girl thought that she should not give any she should not give this pet animal give her pet animal to any person for higher hereafter. She herself thought this, that she should not give hire her pet animal to any other person though they give money. This is what she thought after she saw behaving harshly with her pet animal. So the new words from this chapter is lady, meaning a polite way to call women. So example, she is a perfect lady. Whipped, meaning is beat. Example is he whipped the horse into the canter. Next, lent, meaning is to give something to someone that would be returned back. So you're not giving permanently, you are giving and then you will be returning back. Example, I have lent the money to a friend. Lashed, a quick blow. Example, the horse lashed out with its back legs. Mire, meaning is to stuck on a muddy ground, that is called as mire. Example is the wheels got stuck in the mire. Next, hire, meaning is to employ someone for money. Example sentences: this company hired 100 people this year. Next, we'll see question answers from this chapter. Another word for wallop is bash. Would the child hit the donkey? So they are asking the another word for Wallapus bash. No, the child would not hit the donkey. Second question, what would the child give the donkey? So child would give some corn to the donkey. What is pony? A baby horse's pony. Here, which is baby horse? It is not a baby dog. It is not a baby cat. It is a baby horse. Next, what did the lady do to the pony? So she did whipped and lashed him. Next, what did the child decide to do? She decided to never lend the pony to the lady again. So this is what she decided after giving the pet animal to the lady. Next, let's talk. Have you seen people beating animals? What do you think of such people? So you can write whether you have seen people beating animals or not. If they are beating animals, these people are very cruel and wicked. Second question, do you ever tease animals? Do you think that you should be kind to them? No, I never tease animals, as we should always be kind to them. Third question, tell your friends about some unusual pets that you have seen. You can explain about your pet animal or usual pet animal or unusual. I have seen my neighbor's pet, a Doberman. He is simply adorable. He always smiles when anyone hugs him. He has a beautiful nose. So we can describe any unusual pet that you have seen. Next, say aloud: donkey, monkey, turkey, hire, fire, mire, hare, fair, mare, mile, smile, pile, mail, snail, pile. So you can also say aloud. Word building. Stable. Where can we find a stable? So we can find stable in farmlands. Name all the animals that live in a stable. Cows, goats, pigs, and horses live in a stable. Make two words from stable. So you can, by removing letters from the beginning. So you can write table or able. Next, let's write. Write a paragraph about your pet or an animal you love. You can write about your dog or any bird or rabbit. You can write, I love to play with rabbit. They are very cute. They like eating carrots. They get easily scared. Like to call them bunny. It sits down on my hands or either jump out of my arms. Next question, filling the blanks with words that rhyme with corn, born or horn. No, go. Maya, higher. Next, the cruel boy. The monkey is in a cage. A boy looks at the monkey. He gives it a sweet. The monkey opens the paper. There is a stone inside. The poor monkey is sad, cruel boy. See, you can see a monkey. A boy looks at this monkey and he gives him a sweet. The monkey opens the paper, but instead of sweet, what he has? So the monkey found a stone inside. The poor monkey is very sad and it was disappointed. So this boy is cruel. So we should not harm animals. We should treat animals with kind and love. Are these sentences right or wrong? A monkey is in the forest. Wrong. It can be seen in living places also. The boy gives the monkey a stone. Yes. The monkey thinks it is a sweet. The monkey likes sweet. Yes. The monkey is sad. Yes, it is sad. So chapter 6 donkey ends here. Hope this video is useful. We'll see in the next video. Thanks for watching.